Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. We're looking at the Kiwi yen. So what I've done with this is I've grabbed this previous day high, pulled it across. The day before that, the high, pulled it across. And we can see how we've spiked through up into buy-side liquidity above previous day's high. I'm looking for a short opportunity. I've marked up this red candle daily. We'll go down now the time frames and I'll give you my take on this. We'll look at a potential trade idea. So on the 4 hour, have a look at this box here. This is picking up this green candle prior to this bearish move, this balance area up here. It coincides with, if you have a look at this purple, this thin candle here, there's nothing left and right of it. So I've just pulled the high of the left candle left and the low of the candle right. So we've got this price gap sitting here on the 4 hour with this 4 hour distribution level. So this is a key level here in terms of a potential target, this level through here. With this daily, we can see the high of this daily coincides with the low of this 4 hour here. Right, so this whole area in here is definitely a level of interest. We've got this gap 4H, the high of the daily, low of the 4H, high of this 4H. So this is a target area, and I'm going to go for somewhere around here, something like that as a target. What else have we got here? We've got this 4 hour red candle here. We've got this 4 hour red candle. All right, so we've got these levels of interest that we might target. You know, I mean, if this picks up steam and we do get a bit of downside with it, it could be quite a nice outcome. And if we stay with this, with the trend, if it does trend south, we just stay in it until we get a break of structure. All right, then we can just follow it down with our stop loss. So what we have here, I'll go down to the 1 hour. Oh, by the way, guys, I'll just remind you to have a look at the links below the video in the signature description section there. Very important links for you to check out. So what we've got here is this 1 hour balance area through here, point of interest. And we can see also nested with this 4 hour here is this thin candle on the 1 hour time frame. Nothing left and right of it, so I've just pulled that space, that gap through. So we have that, and this is my target area, as I mentioned. It's going to be where this nested gap, price gaps, this 4H, and the high of this daily. So down at the high of this balance area down here, something like that. So there's a target, short. Oh yeah, the other thing, we'll just go down to a 30 minutes. So as you no, I pulled these lines through here, these horizontals, got these previous day high 2 days, and we've seen price as we've traded into the London Open spike up through. So this is why I'm thinking we're going to get a bit of downside here. It's taken out buy side liquidity, and the opportunity could be hopefully continued movement south. So that's my thinking on this. Let's just have a look at this now on, say, a 5-minute chart, and I'll bring in the session times here. All right, so there's the London Open, and I'm always interested in how things are trading into the London Open. We've got this range through here for a start. That'll do. We get a bit of a spike down, and my thinking with this is it's the fakey shaky, fake out, and then we get the shake out. Okay, so that takes out liquidity, comes back. We've got a touch up in here, but what we do have with this is this imbalance. So what I'm looking for is this to trade back up, fill this gap, and rotate here. And then if the trend sets up, we have the opportunity as the trend, well, that's a trend, not a very good trend, but as we see lower highs, lower lows forming up in here, that could be the opportunity. So that's what I'm looking at, guys, with the Kiwi yen at the moment. I'll just finish marking up this chart, and we'll take a snapshot of this and send it into my Telegram group. What have we got here? Liquidity above, it's taking it out. Look at this lower high, break, lower low, break of structure. This is the break of structure here. That's why I like this. There it is. And strong move. Look for the move back up in, and then potentially we see this trade south. I mean, as always, there's never any guarantee with these things. Stop loss is going to go above. I think my short position would be, I'll be looking to build shorts in, probably go in with a market sell, and then layer in a couple of pending sell orders up in around this range in here, something like that. Stop above here, keep it tight, something like that. I think Could be a thing. So guys, that's my take on the Kiwi yen. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.